Hi, this is Liana from Lima machinery in China. Today, I'm going to show you our poultry feed production line. The capacity is suitable for 200 to 1000 kg per hour. I will introduce the production process step by step. This is the crusher machine. We need to put some materials into this machine, such as soybean, maize, and so on. This machine can handle materials to be powdered. And we use the conveyor delivery the powder to mixer machine. We use automatic electrostatic powder coating. In lead frame, play a protective role. Mixing time is around 5 to 8 minutes. We use the conveyor deliver the powder to feed pellet machine. Next one is our feed pellet machine. It can make chicken, cow, sheep, and goat, and so on feed. Only need to change the feed formula and feed moulds. The feed is made through the machine's pressure rolls and grinding discs. Then, the feed comes into cooling screen machine. And this is a dust removal machine. If it is not collected, it will affect the environment. In addition, the dust removal machine can recycle the dust and reuse the collected dust to making feed. Our warranty is 1 year. We provide 24 hours after sales service. Trust comes from quality. Lima is your best choice.